Welcome back to the Bobby White channel. In this video, you're going to see me making a platinum motion ring with 6 carat diamonds. Bobby first designed and made a motion ring back in 2004. If you've never seen one of these rings before, you're in for a real treat, because this ring is more than meets the eye. Also, in a little bit, I'm going to explain a lot more about the setting of the diamonds. So, welcome to the vlog.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just take the night, then you leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Ooh, 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 ooh. Dinners and rings and the fanciest things couldn't make me believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to give into us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Ooh, 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 ooh.
So I'm just going to stop a second. I just want to explain a little bit more about how I go about setting. So the most important thing about setting for me is the microscope. I mean, it makes the job like from tiny to like massive, and you can see everything you're working on. And if it looks good under there, when you take it away, it's going to look amazing. So under the microscope, I've got this little ball thing which clamps the job down. You can stick it up or clamp it in, and that makes it easy for me to have like both hands free so I can work on the job. So once you've got them two bits, you then get into your engraving tools. Years ago, they didn't used to use an air tool. It used to be just like an engraver, and you had to push it. But now this is like, I don't know, like a mini Kango, but a lot finer, obviously. We've got a compressor, and it just really brightly cuts the metal going along. And all the tools are really highly polished. So when it cuts into the metal, the platinum, it just super bright cuts in. It just looks fantastic. You may see me in the videos polishing these tools, which I do all the time. The more shiny and polished the tools are, the more brighter the cuts go into the job. So once you've got all your tools, it's then you get into your drills. That's where you drill your holes, and then you use a ball phrase, you open them up, you gradually go around the ring, opening all the holes so the diamonds fit. So once you've got your holes ball phrased out, that's when I go in with the cutting tools. I cut away all the metal what I need and leave literally 4 claws for every single stone. And after that, we put our diamonds in. All our diamonds are cut from the same factory, so every single diamond has got exactly the same facets and cut, so they sit into the job perfect. And once they're in, you can see me push all the grains over the stones. So that's a basic overview of how I get the diamonds set into the job. So let's get back to the video.
You and me won't last long. Just stay with me for a drink and show me a good time. If I wanted more than this, I'd love you until I'm gone. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause you and me won't last long. Just stay with me for a drink and show me a good time. If I wanted more than this, I'd love you until I'm gone. But you only get a sip, so show me a good time. I don't care.
The motion ring you see me making this video is a custom made motion ring. If you're interested in having a motion ring designed for yourself, contact us and you can come and visit us in our studio in London. Also, if you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video.